Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Darren, Tang, professional bowler, and today is Proviam time. Don't know what our challenge is gonna be, so I'm gonna bring on our man Tino here, and he's gonna throw out some ideas. We're gonna pick one, but if he does end up beating me with this handicap, he will get a choice of a brand new bowling ball or a lesson. So, what's it gonna be?
I've decided either left hand.
Left hand, I don't like that.
Left hand two-handed.
Left hand two-handed, not just regular two-handed?
Yeah, I've seen how you do the regular two-handed.
Okay.
And house ball.
House ball, all right. These all sound like terrible ideas for me. What do you average?
180.
I don't think I can average 180 doing any of those things. If I bowl left-handed, I feel like I have to use a house ball. I'm not trying to throw 15 pounds left-handed. This is tough.
I'm open to that. I've also seen that video, but
I feel like your average is too high for me to bowl left-handed. If you were averaging like 160, I'd be like, all right, yeah, I might have a chance.
Yeah,
no, you already messed it up. I'm going off the wrong foot. Sorry.
All right.
Do you want to go first or second?
Oh, let's go second. I'll go second.
All right, he's gonna go second, ball in hand. I'm gonna throw phase 5 because why not? All right, Tino, let's get a good old fair game of ball hit
Fair.
Fair, yeah. That's not fair. I'm bowling off the wrong foot. Or my opposite foot. It's not wrong. It's not wrong. I don't want to offend any opposite foot bowlers. All right, I don't think when I bowl off the wrong foot, I just do. Brooklyn! Yeah! Let's go! I wanted to say it was my house, but this is Simo's house. Let's go. Got the energy back up. Wasn't a nut, but
I think two-handed lefty was a good option.
you're too good for two-handed lefty.
Oh boy.
He set himself up for failure. He should have set the standard a little lower. Oh, he's got a Supreme ball. Let me know in the comments if you guys have one of those. Let me know in the comments if you guys would be willing to send one to me, because it's a cool ball. He's got some balls throwing this thing, man. All right.
Good open.
All right. Here we go. Can't really talk about how I'm gonna throw it different because I don't really know. Please hook.
Keep that up.
I don't like hooking it at spares, but not the best with my angles, throwing it straight. This feels like a very 50-50 shot. Aced it.
Hooking at your spares?
Yeah, I don't know where it's going, throwing it straight off of this foot. I don't have it dialed in yet. I watched this guy practice earlier, and he was not missing. He had the nuts.
I'm also on ice. We were talking the whole time.
Sure. Oh, there it is. Oh! Bad rack? Are the lanes changing?
It's always a bad rack.
Always a bad rack. This guy knows what's up. He watches the videos.
Get up.
I'm gonna feel really bad if he shoots under 150.
Oh!
Come on, man. Wheel.
Oh boy. It's fun.
Ask and you shall receive. Brooklyn! You got this one, it's in the middle. I don't drink, but do you drink, Adam? All right, throw it up. Oh! Oh! All right. Since he wanted left-handed, I'll throw out left-handed for the last half of the game.
Appreciate you.
That sounds like that could be fair.
Nerves getting into me.
The nerves, it's the lights. Oh no, the lefty's coming out, I needed that one. Too many rotational points. Rotato, potato. No!
Yes. Good shot.
Thanks. My man really wants to lose now. All right, dialing in my lefty. Do I get practice shots on the right lane?
It's your show.
He's right, it is my show.
There it is.
Oh, we knew off the hand.
We're back in it.
Nice shot. Okay. One good one. Oh, I didn't even touch it. Easy spare, right? All right, go get your double. Potential? I don't know what I'm smiling about. I gotta throw it left-handed now. Oh. Ah, the high life curse.
A little right.
Here we go. Oh, it's got a lay.
Yes.
Oh no. Why does that ball hook so much? It really doesn't help because my left and right hand aren't even close in size. My left hand is swimming. Brooklyn, everybody?
Ooh. We have a shot.
Getting dialed. Now I'm gonna bowl 150. Oh, ball change. Only 5 frames too late.
Nope. No wheel.
What happened to this lane? It wasn't this hard earlier.
Jesse was practicing.
All right, run it down. So you can blame Jesse if you lose.
Oh. All right.
All right, you can't blame Jesse for the spare shooting though.
Yeah. Let's just restart today.
All right, maybe we don't try to hook it as much. Brooklyn! He told me 180, guys. Come on, show me 180. You need them all though.
I will get them all right here.
Wait, where do you bowl?
Suncoast.
Suncoast. He's Suncoast 180. Brooklyn! All right, that works.
Staying alive.
180 still alive.
Still alive.
And it's only a 26-pin game. Anything can happen until this shot. Oh no, lay. I just don't trust it to the left. My grip pressure is the highest it's ever been in my life. I'm just trying to hang on to the ball. I don't even know how to pick this up. I want to throw it straight, but I don't know if I can. Oh!
Nice roll.
I could have beat you left-handed. Give me the house ball. I think the house ball works. That's got a chance.
Same offer.
The game's not over yet. Same offer. Yeah, he hasn't picked up a spare yet, but of all the spares for him to pick up, this is probably gonna be the one.
Let's go.
Ay, ay, ay. All right, the big wheel. Oh, that could be nasty.
Oh, why?
All right. Wow. I'm impressed with myself. You know how in golf, like most people, you just hit one good shot in the round, it's like, yes, makes your day. Typically not like that in bowling for me, but that was bowling. I'm like Rob on Super Smash Bros. Right now. Brooklyn!
Good. Let's go.
All right. All right, if we open in the 10th, he can get them all to win.
Open in the 10.
I know I'm clean, 3 out of 4 frames, but I still like your chances.
You did that on purpose.
That was
You
not
did
on
that on
purpose.
purpose.
I gotta make sure I hit pins.
I gotta open in the 10th. Gutter the first shot.
The last shot was a miracle. The one before the gutter. The gutter was pretty normal. All right. Let me get this spare right quick. Going back to playing straight. Brooklyn. All right. It was on purpose, and not really. Oh, it's got a chance.
Oh.
Needed to throw the Nova. All right, I'll give you this one. Pick it up. I'll give you a ball for this one. You guys are getting off way too easy. All these chances.
It's the same shot.
It is the same shot. You got to catch the 2-pin a little skinnier. You tried too hard. All right, man. All right, man. Thanks for playing.
Thanks for having me.
Pro-Am viewers, we've been getting a lot of questions in the comment section about challenging me so that you can win a bowling ball or a lesson if you beat me, which you're probably not going to. But we've created a forum down in the description below. If you guys are interested, fill that out with your information and we'll get back to you on potentially challenging me to catch this L this way.